Question ko, tuloy ba yung trip na ni Glyza sa Florida? Yung Japan, supposedly, is, baka... Yun, hindi pa kami sure eh. Siyempre gusto namin kasi sobrang sarap ng food doon. Tapos... sobrang sarap ng food doon. And then, it's fun to shop. At saka ano, parang the exchange rate is good right now. Talagang lahat iniisip eh, no? And then, yung Florida, hindi pa sure. Pero if ever matutuloy yun, October yun. October. Singapore. yung Singapore, ano, inaayos pa. Pero ano, laking bagay ng hashtag na yun. Salamat sa mga nagpa-trend ng We Want Rian. Nakakatuwa naman. Uy, thank you so much. Ano ba nangyari? Yung mall show namin sa Montalban was the first time I was asked about the Singapore thing. So, inaayos. And hopefully, I get to go. So, yun, parang kinontact na din kami bago pa yung hashtag. But it's good to solidify it.